morning. This is Toby Channon reporting live from Salem, Massachusetts for our very first snowstorm of the season. And you thought we were going to get unscathed. Anyway, we have accumulation of about 4 inches right now, as you can see. It's a whole finger. And you know what? In this time of year, a lot of people get depressed and get sad and whatever. And a good friend of mine, Queen Elsa from Arendelle, gave me a really good piece of advice, and that was, let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. The snow still bothers me every day. Toby Channon, reporting live from Salem, Massachusetts.